Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see a CSS property called media query. With this we are going to create responsive design. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's get into the video. Yes. So before going to the code, we need to understand what is media query and why actually we use media query. So media query is nothing but a CSS property which we can use to handle the responsive design. Okay, handling means like we can see on the screen we have different kinds of devices like desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile. Okay, and each of the screen we want some different design. Okay, because once you have something a design for laptop, it will not going to fit in the mobile screen. Okay, here media query will come into the picture that you can rewrite the css for mobile separately. It's not like complete css, but you have to write few css, modify the few css so such a way that it will going to fit in the mobile screen as well. Okay, so we can see the screen devices like the pixels. Okay, also for each device. Okay, for desktop and laptop you see it should be above 768 pixel. Okay, because the tablet screen will be between 450 to 768. Okay, and mobile screen we can have it as below 450. Okay, 0 to 450 we can consider as mobile screen. Later that part till 768 pixel we can consider as tablet, and after that above 768 pixel we'll have the laptop screen or desktop screens. Okay, with respect to this we have to design or make the website responsive. Okay, with media query. So as you can see on my screen, I have created one file mediaquery.html in my CSS folder, and you can see I have few content as well added. Okay, so here we have a div calling it as a card class, and for this card class I am applying some width and height and some box shadow, margin, and background color. Okay, so let's see how it will look in the preview. So I'll click this button and we can see review over here. Okay, preview. So this is how the box is looking right now. Now what we can try to do is we will going to change the color with respect to screen size. Okay, suppose in laptop screen I want teal color. Okay, but in mobile screen I want red color for this box. How do we do? Okay, with respect to or by using media query we can do that. So let's see how we can actually write the media query and change the css of this particular card. Yes, so let's see how we can apply media query on our css. Let's see. So in order to write media query you have to write and then media, and then you have to write parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you have to write a condition. Okay, when you want to apply the css whatever we are going to write in this particular block. Okay, so that you have to mention. Let's suppose I am saying max width should be 768 pixel. Okay, so whenever I am saying max width, it means 0 to 768 pixel. Okay, so we'll see that. Okay, so what we'll do right now is we'll have a card again, and I'll say background color as red. Okay, so for tablet screen, okay, 768 pixel is tablet. You can do like 450 or 550 as well. So it will going to apply for mobile screen, but let's go for 768 pixel for now. Okay, so I have saved this, and let's go to the browser, and here we can see. So at the initial condition it will be this color, teal color only. Okay, now until unless the screen size shrink to the 768 or below 68 768 pixel, right, that time only the yellow color, or sorry, the red color will going to apply. Okay, so let's go to the mobile view from here, and now you see the responsive, the width you can see over here 400. That's why it's going to the red color. Okay, let's increase it. You can see above the how the width is increasing as well. Okay, and now you see at this point it changed the color. Okay, see, if I say 768 here, it will be a red color, but if I say 769 and enter, see, 1 pixel gap and the color is changed to teal color. Okay, so this is how media query work. With this help you can apply different css. Okay, let's suppose I want to increase the size as well in the mobile screen. Okay, so I'll say 200 pixel and height as well 200 pixel. Okay, let's save it and let's go back. So right now it's 769, that's why it's not applying. Okay, Let's shrink it. Now you see the size is increased. Okay, so this is how you can apply media query on your web pages. Okay. Yes, let's know about a few of the other properties in this media query, the condition in the condition which we are writing, right? Right now I have given as max width as 760. Okay, so what it representing here is from 0 to 768 pixel, right? 768 pixel, it should apply whatever we have in the media query. Okay, but there is one more property we have is minimum width. Okay, so this is for max width. Let's say minimum width. Okay, so let's apply minimum width and let's see what will happen. Okay, min width, and what I'm saying is it should be this color. Okay, red color. So let's go back and let's see here. Now you see I'm in 631. Okay, so it should be applying the red color, but it's not applying. Why? Because whenever we say minimum width 760 or whatever width you have given there, it should be match. Okay, it's not like 0 to 768 pixel. It should be above that. Okay, so how minimum will work is the first pointer will be 768 pixel in our case now to whatever we have. Okay, like whatever screen size we have, that time it will going to apply. Okay, but the reverse case will have is max width will consider like 0 to whatever width we have provided, but minimum width, what it will consider is you should be having minimum width this only, then only the CSS will apply. Okay, or else those CSS will not going to apply. Okay, and if you suppose like you have three different devices and you want to build make it responsive, but that time you should be writing the media query only for mobile and tab, because the other CSS whichever you provide in the style tag, those will going to apply. So you don't need to worry about like the laptop screen above 768 or something like that. You don't need to worry about, because you just need to worry about the mobile screen and the tablet, and whatever CSS you write outside the media query, it will work without those conditions. Okay, so yes, this is about media query, but we haven't saw much in this video. Like we just saw only how we can change the color. But I'll be uploading a video tomorrow on how to make a responsive card. Okay, so that video you can refer for media query, and with that you can see a real-time example how we can actually convert into mobile screen and tablet screen. Okay. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.